See, in the last class, we have studied, right, what and all the methods of maintaining capital account, right? First one is fixed capital method, and the one is fluctuating capital method. In fixed capital method, what they are doing, whatever the capital contribution is there and surplus withdrawal is there, that will be recorded under partner's capital account, whereas any other adjustment like interest on capital, interest on drawings, all those adjustment will be written under partner's current account. Understood? So in this they are maintaining two books, right? Fixed capital account method, whereas under fluctuating all the adjustments will be written in partner's capital account only, right? So now we need to study, or we need to solve this practical problem, then we'll get the clear idea related to capital maintenance. Okay, see, first problem. Samir and Yasmin are partners with the capital of rupees 15 lakh and rupees 10 lakh. So this one is the initial capital which they have introduced into the business, and they are sharing profits in the ratio 3:2. So their profit sharing ratio is 3:2. Why this particular ratio is needed? Whenever the profit they have obtained, so at the time of distributing it to the members, they need this particular ratio. Based on their share, they are going to get what? Their profit. Then show how the following transactions will be recorded in the capital accounts of the partner in case the capitals are fixed. That means under fixed capital method we need to prepare, and second we need to prepare under fluctuating capital method. Okay, so now see the problem. So first, particulars, additional capital contributed. So they have introduced capital, again they have given the additional capital. So why they have given additional capital? When the capital is not enough for the business, then they can introduce additional capital. Okay, so Samir contributed 3 lakh, whereas Yasmin contributed 2 lakh. Okay, and see here, additional capital contributed on July 1st. So what is the current period? Current period will be from 1/3/2014 to 1/4, okay. From April to March is the financial year. So from 1/4/2014 to 31/3/2015 will be the current year. So this capital will not be contributed for entire year, right? So it will be given only for 9 months. So whenever interest calculation is there, we need to add 9 months, only for 9 months. Okay. Then interest on capital. So they are getting what? Interest on their capital. So they have contributed interest, upon which they are receiving what? Interest. So what is the interest rate? 5%, on which we need to calculate on initial capital as well as additional capital. Understood? So interest will be written where? It will be written under current account. It will be recorded under partner's current account, right? Adjustment will be recorded under current account, where in credit side, and drawings will be written on debit side under current account. So they have given the drawings 30,000 and 20,000. Then interest on drawings written in the debit side 1,800 and 1,200. Then salary and commission, where it will be recorded under current account under credit side, right? Then share in loss. That means for this particular year they have incurred loss, so they have received this amount. So they have shared the losses, that is 60,000 and 40,000. It will be written under debit side. So now we need to solve this particular problem in both the method. Okay, let us solve that problem. See, first we need to solve this but under fixed capital method. Okay, fixed capital. So here what we need to do? Here we need to do a working note. Why working note is needed? So there is an interest calculation, and that we need to do. So first, calculation of interest on Samir's capital. Okay, he is a first partner. So on his capital we need to find out how much is the interest he is going to get. So what is the capital initial amount that he has given to the business? 15 lakh. So this is the initial capital. So upon which how much is the percentage? 5% is the interest rate. So what is the amount on 15 lakh? What we need to do? We need to calculate 5%. So 5% of 15 lakh is 75,000. Then they have introduced what? Additional capital. So additional capital is introduced on July 1st. That means July, August, September, October, November, December, Jan, February, March. 9 months are there. So here what we need to do? Write the additional capital 3 lakh, upon which 5% is the interest rate, and for how many months? 9 months remaining. So calculate 3 lakh into 5 by 100 into 9 by 12. We are going to get 11,250. Now add this on initial capital as well as on additional capital. Add. We are going to get what? 86,250. So this is the interest of whom? Samir. Understood? Okay. Then we need to calculate calculation of interest on Yasmin's capital. So at the time of solving any problem, so how you got that particular amount, regarding that you need to show what? Working note. Whenever you are showing working note, right, for that particular working note you will get marks. So follow this particular format whenever you are solving practical sums. You will get more marks if you are writing working notes and all. Okay. So calculation of interest on Yasmin's capital. So what is the initial contribution? That is 10 lakh, right? So 10 lakh is the initial contribution, upon which 5% is the interest. So on 10 lakh, 5% means how much? 50,000. Then there is additional capital, right? Additional contribution that is made on July. So additional contribution is 2 lakh. 2 lakh into 5 by 100 into 9 by 12, right? So now calculate on 2 lakh into 5 by 100 into 9 by 12. So amount they are getting is 7,500. Now add this both. So they are getting 57,500. So this particular interest is for whom? Yasmin. Okay, Yasmin is getting this particular interest on her capital. Okay, now working note is over. Now we need to solve problem. So first one is partner's capital account. So write debit side, credit side. Here what? We are writing particulars in first column. So remember the format also. So here we are writing 2 amount column. Why? Because there are 2 partners, right? Samir, and his amount need to be written in this particular column. Then Yasmin, her amount need to be written in this particular column. And then again on credit side we need to write particulars. Then Yasmin and Samir and Yasmin's account, Yasmin's amount. Okay, now what we need to do first is balance brought down. So initial capital which they have given, how much? Samir contributed 15 lakh, right? Write that. So Samir's contribution. Then write Yasmin's contribution, that is how much? 3 lakh. No, 10 lakh is the, see here, Yasmin's initial contribution is 10 lakh. So 10 lakh is her contribution. Now additional capital which they have given. So what is the entry for capital contribution? Hope you all remember in your first year you people have studied, I guess, right? So entry is capital account debit to whoever the partner is contributing. Name Yasmin and Samir, right? Capital account debit to Samir's account to Yasmin's account. So that is the entry. So here what we need to do? By additional capital. So what is the amount of additional capital? See here, this one is of Samir. 3 lakh is the additional. So and Yasmin's is additional 2 lakh. And any other adjustments are there? If there, then we are going to write under current account. So here this much is over. Now we need to find out what total. So add 15 lakh, then 5 lakh. So we are getting Samir's total as this is the 3 lakh, right? Okay, right? We are getting Samir's. We need to find out the total. So Samir's total is 18 lakh. Then calculate Yasmin's 10 lakh plus 2 lakh. So how much is the amount? 12 lakh. So there is no any other adjustment. So this one is carried down here. To balance carried down. What is the amount? 18 lakh. 18 lakh and 12 lakh. So don't miss any zero, okay? Whenever you are solving problem, see whether the amount is written properly or not. So now what we need to do? Write the total amount 18 lakh and 12 lakh. So now this partner's capital account is over. Now what we need to do? We need to create or we need to prepare partner's current account. So here what we are going to write? All the adjustments whichever they have given, right? Okay, first one is what? They have given interest on capital, right? By interest on capital. Interest on capital amounting to rupees. So this one is Samir's. Samir's interest is how much? 86,250. We have already calculated 86,250. Then what is the Yasmin's interest? 57,500 over. Then another adjustment, drawing, where we need to write on debit side 2 drawings. So what is the amount of drawings? 30,000 of Samir, 20,000 is of Yasmin. Then interest on drawings, where we are going to write on debit side interest on drawings. So they have given the amount, so there is no need of calculation. 1,800 and 1,200 over, right? Then another adjustment, salary, where we need to write on credit side by salary. Salary is for only Samir. So there is no amount related to salary of Yasmin. So only write 20,000 of Samir. Then commission. So commission they are receiving, where we need to write credit side by commission. So you need to remember the format or form of this particular accounts. So commission, how much? 10,000 is of Samir and 7,000 is of Yasmin. Okay, then share in loss. That means what? They are sharing what? Losses to P&L appropriation. Right, whether it is profit or loss. Okay, so this one is the loss. So what is the amount? They have given 60,000 and 40,000. Okay, now calculate whether which side is having more balance. 86,250 plus 20,000 plus 10,000. So 1,16,250 is the Samir's total balance, 1,16,250. So if you have doubt whether debit side is getting more total or credit side, first you can write here even in pencil, okay. Then after getting right amount, you can write in pen. So next see Yasmin, 57,500 plus 7,000. So the amount is 64,500. Now we need to see whether this side's total is more than this side. If in any situation this side balance increases, means this side is now we are going to get what? Loss. Credit side more, always profit. Debit side more, always loss. Remember that. So here see, debit side Samir's total is, this one is lesser than this amount. Okay, so here is what you need to write the balancing figure on which side? Here. To balance, carry down. So deduct 11,000, 1,000, 1,16,250 minus whatever the total you have got in this particular side. So the balance is 24,450. Now we need to see Yasmin's debit balance. So that is 61,200. Okay. So which is lesser than this particular amount, 64,500. Deduct that. So carry down value is 3,300. So now you can write the total, 16,250. So it is simple. Okay, sometimes if you are having the confusion related to writing this balancing figure, see, whenever credit side is more, this side more means balancing figure will be written in this side, that is opposite. Whichever the side is having more balance, in its opposite side we are going to write balancing figure. If this side is more means the balancing figure will be written in this side. Understood? And whenever credit balance is more means that is a profit. Whenever debit balance is more means that is a loss. So this one is related to fixed capital method. Under fixed capital method we have calculated the partner's capital as well as current account. Now we need to prepare under what? Under fluctuating capital method. You know, right? Under fluctuating capital method there is only what? Only one particular capital account will be maintained. There is no current account. So write partners capital account. Write the format properly, debit, credit, and then particulars Yasmin Samir, particulars Yasmin Samir, particulars Yasmin, sorry, first account is of whom? Samir is the first partner, then Yasmin. So write that even properly. Samir, Yasmin. So here their respective balances will be written. Okay. So now first is what? Same. Here what? Everything will be written in capital account only. So first is balance brought down. Okay. So that is the initial capital contribution, that is 15 lakh and 10 lakh of Yasmin. Now what? Additional capital introduced. So what is the additional capital that they have given? Right, 3 lakh and 2 lakh. And then write the other adjustments. So interest will be written here. So we have already calculated interest. Interest is 86,250 for Samir, right? See here. Interest 86,250 is for Samir, and for Yasmin, see this is Yasmin's 57,500. Now what we need to write? Drawings. Drawings in which column? Debit column. To drawings. So amount is 30 and 20,000. Then interest on drawings, right? So they have given 1,800 and 1,200. Then what? Salary and commission. Where here, right? By salary. Salary is 20,000. Now by commission. Commission is 10,000 and 7,000. Right? Okay, now write P&L appropriation, that is profit or loss. appropriation. What is the amount? 60 and 40. Okay. Okay, now we need to calculate the balance of this one also. 15 lakh plus 3 lakh, then 86,250, then 20,000 plus 10,000. So sum is total capital or total balance is on credit side. Okay, 19 lakh 16,250. Understood? Now we need to find out whom? Yasmin's, right? 10 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 57,500 plus 7,000. So now Yasmin's total is 12,64,500. Now we need to see whether debit balance is more than that. Surely when you are seeing, right, you can get to know now that debit side is lesser than credit side. So balancing figure will be written where? Here. To balance what? Carried down. So this is the way of finding out the answer. Okay. So see, summation total is how much? 19 lakh 16,250, right? We need to deduct sum is debit side total. So we are getting how much? 18,28,050. Now what we need to calculate? Yasmin's debit side total, and we need to deduct that from Yasmin's credit side total. 12,64,500. Okay. From this you need to deduct Yasmin's debit balance. Deduct. So what we are getting? 12,03,300. So write the total in both the sides. So total is 19,16,250 and 12,64,500. Understood, right? So this is a way in which we need to solve the problem. So write the balancing figure in both the side. 19,16,250, then 12,64,500. So this is the way in which we need to solve our problem related to partners capital maintenance. Understood, right? If you have any doubt, you can ask me.